Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I am back with another earning video via Termux. You can earn unlimited money using Termux. So let's go to that website bithub.win website link given in description below. So let's check the website. There is a different earning methods: manual facet, auto facet, PTC ads, short links, achievement and referral. This website highest paying to users, no minimum withdrawal, no withdrawal fees, unlimited. Refer how much you want to earn. You can see here this website paid the users. There is many users and many withdrawals. Let's get started. Register your account. Click on register. Put here your details, email, password, again password. Solve captcha, select plan. Your account has been registered and we are on dashboard. I have 0 coins, 0 energy, everything is 0. Here is 3 methods, and here inside but there are many methods for earning. Here website provides different withdrawal methods: Fastest, Crypto, Fastest, Binance, CoinEx, Coinbase, Indian rupees, much more. We don't need to work on website, so let's go to the Termux. For Termux we download a script. So let's go to script link given in description below. Here is the script. Here wait and get link. Go to the link and download the script. Let's go to the file manager. Go to the location. Extract the zip file. Go to folder and here copy the folder path. Go to the Termux. Here type cd, paste the link, type ls. Here is the file board.php, type board php board.php. Here script has been started. Its required password. So let's copy the link and go to the browser. Here paste the link. Click to continue. Wait for it. Here is the password. Copy password. Go to Termux. Paste it. It's required user agents. Go to the HTTP country. Here add the browser. I have already added browser Chrome. Start the HTTP canary. Go to the website, refresh the website. Here HTTP canary fetching the data. Stop the HTTP canary. Go to three dots, filter, server host. Here select github.bin. Go back and go to dashboard. Copy the user agent. Paste here. Again go to HTTP canary. Go to overview. Copy cookie. Paste here. Press enter. The script started. Here my balance is 0. Here 3 different ways to earn. I select one, faucet. Here you can see script bypassing the captcha. So let's wait. Here you can see one term has been completed. I got 1111 coins. Let's go to the website and check our balance. Here you can see my balance is 1111. So let's try to withdraw this amount. Select method. I select faucet pay. Select coin. I select Tron TRX. Put here your wallet. I put my email. Here is the balance 0.003 TRX I will get. Solve captcha. Let's try withdraw. Here I got balance. So let's check faucet pay wallet. Here you can see I got the amount which I withdraw from GitHub. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.